'cause I'm gonna do my hair soon. We are. This is a bed that I ordered off of Amazon because I'm getting furniture for my room. This is supposed to be a memory foam mattress. It's supposed to, like, obviously expand. I don't really know how to open this. I don't want to break a nail. Okay, let's try from this side. Of the box. So I'm guessing this is the right way to open it. So this is how it comes. Let's see what this is. What would this be for? This is like a box opener, right? Right? I don't know. Comes with a warranty, excuse me. This is the directions. It's telling me how to do it. The size mattress that I got is a full. Because I wanted a full. My room is not that big anyway, so I don't need a queen. It's just me. Let's read this real quick. This says to use scissors. Alright, let's take it out. Oh god, I don't know. This is heavy. I will not break a nail by any means necessary. So, if this is how I gotta get it out, this is how I gotta get it out. Because let's just weigh out our options here. You take it out the right way, and I break a nail. Would that be worth it? No, it wouldn't be worth it to me. So we're just gonna do it like this. Out the compressed mattress onto a clean flat surface, zipper side down. Zipper? What? Okay. Allow bed to fully recover before adding bed linens. Use on any flat support surface such as a box spring. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So I'm guessing this is the plastic covering. hear air. Maybe I shouldn't have beat on it like this. Uh-oh. I still hear it. Still hear it. Oh wait. What did it say? Let's read the directions again. Okay. Roll out the compressed mattress onto a clean, flat surface. Zipper side down. Okay, the zipper side down. Carefully cut open the clear plastic bag along the edges. The mattress instantly begins to decompress. Oh, okay. I guess that's the right word. So now we're just gonna do this without cutting the mattress. Oh no! I'm just gonna it's pretty big. Oh, it feels so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now we just wait for it to fully expand. Is it rising? I hear air still. Like a hissing noise. It's about, what does that say, 1:50? Let me see. Yes, it's 1:50 p.m. and I'll be back when it fully decompresses to let you guys know how long it took. Okay, y'all. So it's been about 10 minutes, 8-10 minutes or whatever, and the bed hasn't done any more expanding except for what you see here. As you can see, it's still pretty loose. So I did actually read this little thing here that comes with it, and down at the bottom the second part says give it at least 72 hours to return to its normal shape. So I'm not too concerned because this is the first day that I've had it. Today is Tuesday. So like Friday, Saturday, if it hasn't expanded, they're gonna have to give me a new bed or they're gonna have to give me my money back. Period. So in 3 days, 72 hours, whatever, I will be back with an update for you guys to let you know if it has fully decompressed or not. So I'll see you guys then. Okay, you guys, so it's been a couple days later. Today is Saturday. I got the bed a couple of days ago. I just wanted to show that it did expand a little bit more. Early on in the video, you can see that it had a lot of expanding to do. But yeah, it's filled it out for the most part, excuse me. It looks a little weird around the edges over there too. Well, you can't really see the edges. Okay, right there. It looks a little weird around the edges, as you can see right there. Yeah, it's, excuse me, it's very much memory foam though. It's really soft. It's comfortable. It does have this really weird smell though. And like I smell it right now. I only smell it when I lay on it. And it like when I lay on it, it seems like it's really strong. But when you're not laying on your back, you don't smell it at all. Like your room doesn't smell like it or anything. Other than that offensive smell, how do I explain this? So, if you have a bad frame where you don't need a box spring, you're definitely gonna feel that frame through your bed, if that makes sense. It's not like, oh, it's so detrimental, but you can feel it. I don't know if it's like that for every memory foam bed, or it could be like that because I only got the 8-inch. Maybe it determines on the thickness, I don't know. But if you don't have a box spring with this, whatever the bed is on, you're gonna feel it. But it's not like detrimental. But if that's like something that's do or die for you, then maybe you shouldn't get the bed. I said in the beginning, this is a full mattress, and it's super soft. It's soft. I don't know what else to say besides the smell. And I don't really know how to explain the smell. It smells like chemicals, or maybe plastic. I don't know. Like, I really don't know how to explain it. I don't know. But that is probably going to be it for this review. I really don't have anything else to say about it. I got it from Amazon. I don't remember if I said that in the beginning. The shipping was like a day late. I think it was supposed to come on Monday and it didn't come until Tuesday. Yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, I also will have the link to this in the description if you want to look at other people's reviews. There's a whole bunch of reviews. If you just buy the bed, whatever. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely comment if you have any questions about the bed that I didn't mention in the video. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you guys may have. Yeah. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video.